Today I have a few things to share with you, some new items that I got, and I have one unboxing. And I also went to Homegoods yesterday trying to waste some time because my daughter was at cheer practice and it was a 5-hour long choreo practice. So I had to be creative, wasted some time. I did go to Homegoods and I found a few items, not decor, but just essentials that I needed for my kitchen. And I like their snacks. I did pick up some snacks. I'm going to share that with you. So let's just get into the video.
But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. Pull myself together.
So I do have an unboxing. I have this package. I also have another package that went along with it, but I'm gonna show you this one and I'll show you the matching piece in a minute. I'll open this up. And like I said, I already have the matching piece to this. Alright, so the unboxing was the Anthropologie bowl. This is the small lower bowl from Anthropologie. So I end up getting the bigger vase, and then I got the bowl. So those are the two things that I got. I also got the one in black, but I'll show you that in a few minutes. Okay, so y'all, like I said, I stopped by Homegoods. I did pick up a few things, and like I said, just essentials, things that I needed for the kitchen. And I like their snacks and I like other stuff. So let me show you what I got. I did pick up some honey. I do love honey, especially in the winter time if I'm drinking some tea, and I like to have honey with it. So I did pick up this jar of honey. It's 32 ounces and it was only $9.99. So I did pick that up at Homegoods. I also picked up this caramelized red pepper. I've never tried it, but I do want to try it. It just looks good. So I'm going to try it with my bagel and cream cheese and just put some on top. And I'll tell you how that goes. So that's something new. So for my snacks, I love their snacks. I did pick up some figs, the organic figs. I picked that up. I got this jackfruit chips. I like these. They're crunchy, they're sweet. I did pick up some roasted Brazilian nuts. I love their snacks. I love natural snacks. And for that sweet craving, I did pick up these little biscuit type cookies that I'm gonna have maybe just one in the morning with my coffee. And I did pick up some plantain chips, which I love, and I already started eating these last night, so they're almost gone. I did need some avocado oil, so I picked up the avocado oil. I have olive oil by my stove, but I also have a decanter, a small decanter for avocado oil, and I ran out. I picked up these fall disposable coffee cups, and I use these at work. They were $4.99. I like these. I like the different themes. Like this one is the fall theme, so I just grabbed that so I can have my coffee cups. I got this little mesh set. It's a set of 3. A colander, and I mainly got it to wash my rice because I don't know about you, but when I cook my rice, before I cook it, I rinse it to try to get some of that starch off of it. And it was only $9.99, so I grabbed that. And like I said, it's a set of 3. I got this little mason jar. It was $7.99, and I got that for I'm gonna put candy on my desk at work. I have one at work already, but it's a little too small, so I just grabbed this one, and this one was $7.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this just for like a candy jar. And I was in need for some bowls that I can cover. You know, sometimes when you have leftovers, or when I season my meats and stuff like that, I need something with a cover because I hate putting like aluminum foil over. So I got these, and this is a set of 4 bowls, and they were $16.99. So I'm gonna open it because I want to see how it looks. But that was my number one reason when I was looking for some bowls, because I really needed some bowls. And these are really nice. So it's a nice sturdy bowl. It's gray on the outside, it's white on the inside, and I love the cover. So this nice size, because I had no bowls that big, and I'm always looking. But it comes with, like I said, oh, it's different colors. I didn't even know it was different colors. That's cool. So I thought they were all gray, but it comes in the gray, the biggest one, and then this it's like a light green for the medium size one, and then like a darker gray for the next to the smallest one, and this one is like a taupey color. I like them. I'm glad I got them because I was like hesitant. But yeah, that's what I got from HomeGoods. Just so I'm gonna wash these, put these to the side so I can wash them. But those were the essentials that I got at HomeGoods. Now let's do some fall. Let's do some fall stuff. Let's do a little fall decorating. And I'll show you some of my favorite stems, which are back there. They are my absolutely favorite fall stems, but there's a few more that I want to get. Not many. There's some branches at Pottery Barn that I want to get, and then I'm going to go to Michael's and get a few things, but not, I just recycle my fall branches. I don't try to buy some every year. So let's do a little decorating for fall. Oh, we're gonna do a little fall decorating. So I moved the other vase that was on the counter to this vase, and I'm gonna just style it with the same branches. Now, right now I don't have anything in here because usually I put like some plastic bags, but I just want to see how it looks without it. So that's 4. That's 4 branches. But if you want to add more, and then you want like maybe get a few more and have it a little thicker like this, so it's like filled up all the way around. Or if you wanted to sit upright in the middle, what you want to do is bend these and make it shorter. So you can bend it like that and make it a little shorter so there's more fullness in the middle. Again, you can bend it and put it in the middle so there's, see how it sits up more in the middle. So we're going to move that over here. So that's like 7, I think. And I think I might put one more at the back. I'm going to bend it so there's some Alright, I think that's pretty. Okay, so let me see if I can get it closer. So that's how that looks. And I'm gonna style the bowl. I'm just gonna leave the bowl right here and probably put a candle in there. So we're just gonna dust the table off. Awesome. We're just gonna put back this vase. and it already had this stem in it. But I did find some stems in the basement for pottery barn. Let me show you what they look like. Now these are some stems that I got from Pottery Barn some years ago. And I was not too crazy about them, but let's see how they look in this vase. I'll just put a few in there. I put 2 of them in here. So let me fluff these branches up. And the reason I don't like this one, I paid a lot of money for this branch. The little stems pop off easily, but you can just put them back on, but I don't want them to pop off easily. So I'm gonna fluff it up a little bit. And this might be it for the table.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No.